Gandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. One thing that the late Monsignor Dan Santa Maria taught me before he passed away was about investments. He would often tell me to invest whatever extra resources I have. Palagi niyang sinasabi na dapat hindi pinapatulog yung mga resources. Dapat they are always circulating and always earning. He would also tell me that since we are single people with no family of our own, we must also practically think of our future. I-remind niya ako palagi na ituloy yung paghuhulog sa SSS kahit na wala na po akong trabaho that time at nag-aral na ulit. Kahit na voluntary payment lang, maglagay sa pag-ibig, sa insurance, etc. Dear brothers and sisters, for the past days, we have been listening to the book of Revelation in our first reading. Our theme po kasi until this Sunday, Solemnity of Christ the King, is about the end of time. And so we heard in the first reading about so many visions. And my reflection for today is very simple in connection with the gospel. Invest on earth, but also invest in heaven. The king in our gospel today gave 10 people gold coins, hoping that they would invest it and make it grow. That is a mark of a good steward. But in the end, only one servant made use of the gold coins and earned 10 additional one. Napalago niya, napagyaman niya, at nagamit niya. In the same way, dear friends, God expects us to always use the gifts and talents we have. He wants us to also invest. Pero hindi po pwedeng puro dito sa mundo lang ang investment. Opo, sobrang halaga niyan. We need those earthly and temporal resources for our day-to-day living and sustenance. We even need them in order to help other people. But see, investments in heaven are also of equal importance. In other words, dapat po, hindi natin sinasayang yung mga opportunities para makapag-ipon ng kabutihan para sa langit. We must always save assets in heaven. How? By being forgiving, being compassionate, being more sensitive and loving to other people. Hindi pwedeng puro liabilities. We must become good stewards. One time, pagdating ko galing misa, dyan sa may hagdan, merong humihingi sa akin, Father, pwedeng pahingi ng kaunting tulong, pamasahe pa uwi. At dahil ako po ay galing misa, wala akong dala-dala ko pa yung aking mga gamit, gulo-gulo pa ang aking isip, sabi ko, sige, sandali lang, akyat lang ako. At pag akyat ko po, ayun, nalimutan ko na. In the end, pag akyat ko sa taas, nung naalala ko, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ay, may pina-take out na lunch sa akin. Sana pala ibinigay ko sa kanya. Meron namang kaming pagkain dito. At ako po ay nagsisi pagkatapos. And so, dear brothers and sisters, if we have an opportunity, never allow that opportunity to do good to just slip away. Kasi hindi natin alam, baka hindi na natin mabalikan. And so, how are your investments on earth? Do you also invest good deeds now for heaven? Maybe it's not yet too late. We can begin saving now so that in the end, we will also be saved. Amen.